in control.
And we're off. Pick out the money line, pick out the number. You get it down right left lane.
It's chaos down there.
You got to take the cab around the hall and take it to the middle. They're getting ran over, right and left. You've got some time.
There's still 3 running around. Oh boy.
See what the corner. Whoa,
there's more than that. 4, wow.
All right, we got one coming middle, number 7. We got 2 ladies, number 17, she's on her way.
Here comes number 14.
Half number 14.
Here's the deal. You get your 10, you get 15.